So first thing first, we need to open the asset and click on new and click on blank workbook. So first write our title, which is customer invoice, and payment tracking system for 1 month. Merge the cell from A1 to J1 and make it center. So next, let's set up our table header. Go to B5 and write our column header that required for the template. First is invoice, second is invoice date, and then our customer name, invoice amount, note which is number of days, overdue date, payment received amount, difference, date of receipt, then days taken for payment, and the last one is status of invoice, and adjust the column width. So next, wrap the text to fit inside. Change alignment to middle and center. Next, select some row and apply border. So next, let's add our new sheet to write our customer info. First is customer name, and second is our credit side. And also our number. Adjust the column. And write our customer details manually. After finish write our customer details, to this credit side is the theme because we want to make it for 1 month. And next, switch back to the payment tracker. For customer name, we want to make it the drop down list to select the customer name and select the range. Go to data and go to data validation. So select list, and for search, go to the customer info and select the customer name. While selecting, select more blank word for customer in the future and select OK. So this, we can select our customer name. So next, let's complete our detail of customer manually. After finish write the customer details, which is invoice, invoice date, and invoice amount, we need to calculate the number of days. To calculate the number of days, we need to use this formula. Press equal, type today, close and open parentheses, minus, and click on invoice date and click enter. So this is the date formatting cell, so we need to change it to general, and this is the count of days from invoice date to today's date. So write down. For overdue date, we need to calculate the overdue date by adding the credit side that we have right at customer information sheet. So for overdue date, we need to use this formula. Press equal, click on invoice date, press plus symbol. So we need to use volume cube function to fetch the credit side. Open parenthesis. For lookup value, we need to choose customer name. Press comma. For table array, we need to switch the customer information sheet and select customer name and credit side, and press comma. For code index number, we need to press 2 because the credit side is on 2 column, and comma, and for range lookup is 0, and close the parenthesis and click enter. So this is the overdue date, so write it down. For payment received amount, should be write manually. For difference, use this formula. Press equal, choose payment received amount minus invoice amount. So it will appear the difference of payment received amount and invoice amount. For date of receipt should be write manually. For days taken for payment, use this formula. Press equal, choose date of receipt minus, and click on invoice date and click enter. So for the days taken for payment, this is the format, which is date, and we need to change it to general. So this is the days taken for payment from days of receipt until invoice date. So let's fill the payment receipt amount and date of receipt. After finish write the payment receipt amount and the date of receipt, we can actually know the actual value of difference and days taken for payment column, and jot it down. And for status of invoice column, we need to use this formula. So this is the formula. If I6, which is difference, and equal to 0, and it will appear paid. And if an I6 less than 0 and G6 less to date, it will appear half paid overdue. If G6, which is overdue date, less to date, it will appear overdue. And also if I6, which is difference, less than 0, it will appear half paid. And click enter. So this is the status that will appear, and jot it down. So to remove the unknown number of days and the overdue date, which is this, we can use this formula. And add note column, we can press equal, type if, open parenthesis, and for legitimate test, choose B6 cell, and for value if true, we need to click on double quotation, press, and for value if true, do it again, double quotation, and press comma, and close the parenthesis, and click enter. So this it will be, and instead of overdue date, we need to add the same formula, equal if, open parenthesis, objective test is B6, and double quotation, press comma, double quotation, press comma, and close parenthesis, and click enter. Next, to highlight the header column, we need to drag from B5 until N5 and edit any color that you want, and choose yellow. So next, to highlight automatically the row for half paid, overdue, and paid, we need to use the conditional formatting. Select the range from B6 until L11, and select the conditional formatting and click on new rule. And for select array type, choose the last one and type this formula, equal dollar symbol L6 equal double quotation, type half paid, as same as at the status of invoice, comma, and overdue, and go to format, select the color that you want, I choose red, click OK, and OK. So this you can see that it will appear the red color for half paid overdue. So we need to do same as well for paid. So go to the conditional formatting, new rules, and type the last one, and use the same formula, equal dollar symbol L6 dollar symbol double quotation, paid, double quotation, and I choose the blue color, click OK, and so this you can see that the paid cell is blue color. So this, we have finished all the tutorial. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.